For this body scan meditation, it is best to find yourself in a comfortable position, lying down if possible, or seated will work just fine. The important thing is to make sure you feel supported, relaxed, and knowing that this time is for you, so making arrangements to not be disturbed. The purpose of this body scan meditation is to help us bring awareness to sensations in the body part that attention is being guided to, and then releasing that awareness and moving on to the next body part where the guidance once again is being offered. There's no right way to feel or not feel. Whatever awareness is just the right amount of awareness. And of course, noticing that we might feel sensations in one place and not another, just knowing that is perfectly fine. We are not striving with expectations or outcomes. We are just allowing, giving our body the permission it needs to be just as it is. At any point in time during the body scan, you may choose to have your eyes opened or closed. You may also choose to shift your position, and all of that, once again, is what your body's wisdom is asking of you. So honoring that is choosing to honor your body's wisdom. So let's begin by deepening into the awareness of your body as it's resting. Perhaps bringing an awareness of its heaviness, or whatever you notice. And now, bringing your awareness purposely all the way down your left leg to the left big toe. Noticing what you notice on that big left toe, any sensations perhaps of temperature, perhaps of pressure from socks or shoes or blanket. And then releasing the awareness of the big left toe and moving your awareness to the other toes on your left foot. And releasing awareness of the toes on the left foot, bringing awareness to the top of the left foot. Again, noticing what you notice is just fine. And then releasing that to the bottom of the left foot. From the tips of the toes all the ways to the heel of that left foot. And then when you're ready on the next exhalation, guiding your awareness to the inside of the left ankle, that bony structure on the inside, as well as the bony structure on the outside. Now releasing your awareness and traveling up with your awareness along the shin of the front of the left leg, with the calf on the back of the left leg. Perhaps you can notice sensations deep into that calf muscles of the left leg. Moving your awareness to the knee, the top of the knee, the inner knee, the back of the knee, and the outside of the knee. The whole knee. And once again, releasing your awareness from the knee and traveling up the thigh, noticing where it connects perhaps to the hip joint. Perhaps noticing the density and the strength of that muscle. And now widening our lens, bringing into your awareness your whole left leg, including your left foot and the toes, offering a wider view of that left leg. Releasing your awareness of that left leg, traveling across the pelvic basin, noticing perhaps its support on the floor, and traveling over to that right hip joint, but not staying there long as we're continuing our awareness all the way down that right leg out to the right big toe. Being with whatever sensations you notice in this big right toe. Releasing your awareness of any sensations and moving the awareness over to all of the other right toes. Bringing awareness to pressure, sensations of touch from air or socks or shoes. And when you are ready in the next exhalation, moving your awareness to the top of the right foot. And then guiding your awareness to the lower right foot, from the tips of the toes all the way to the back of the ankle and the heel. And that whole right foot. Now releasing that awareness and bringing it up to the ankle bone, the inside of the right ankle bone. Awareness to the outside of the ankle bone. And then releasing and traveling with your awareness up the right shin, recognizing the calf muscle and back. Being curious about sensing a little deeper into the calf muscle with whatever sensations arise in our present. And then traveling up with your awareness to the knee. The front of the knee, the inside of the knee, the back of the knee, and the outer side of the knee. And from the knee, with your awareness, noticing the sensations as you move along from the knee up the thigh to where the thigh joins into that right hip. Noticing what you notice, any sensations of heaviness. Now widening our lens and bringing awareness to the whole right leg, to include the thigh, the knee, the shin and calf, that whole right foot. And that wide lens, paying attention to sensations in that whole right leg. Now from this right leg, bringing your awareness all the way up to the shoulders. The collarbone in front, the tops of the shoulders, and then purposely with your attention, moving your awareness to the left arm, traveling from the left shoulder all the way down to the left fingers, noticing what you notice, the very tips of the fingers. Shifting from the tips of the fingers to the palm, the top of the hand, the forearm, the elbow, that bony structure that perhaps goes unnoticed. And then with your awareness traveling up, once again through the upper arm to the top of the shoulder, widening the lens once again to that whole left arm, from shoulder all the way down to fingertips. And moving your attention now to the top of the right shoulder. And with your awareness traveling all the way down to the tips of the right fingers. Once again, allowing any sensations to be just as they are. And with your awareness now noticing the palm of the hand, the upper right hand, the lower right arm, the elbow, that bony structure, the upper right arm, noticing once again where it attaches in the shoulder, and widening the lens to take in the sensations of that whole right arm, from shoulder all the way down to the fingertips. And releasing the awareness of that right arm and coming up to the throat, perhaps aware of any tightening or relaxation in the throat. And then traveling up with your awareness to the temples, with your awareness drawing a line from temple to temple and traveling that line, noticing if there's any sense of tension. Bringing awareness to this may allow it to relax and release, or perhaps not, giving it permission to be just as it is. Bringing your awareness to your eyes, the inside of the eyes, the outer corners of the eyes, in between the eyebrows, and then releasing and coming to the jawbone, noticing if the jaw is closed tensely or relaxed. And then even checking in with the inside of the mouth with the teeth, separation of the jaw, the position of the tongue. Seeing if there's a way that the awareness of the sensations can assist you with relaxing. And then bringing awareness to your nose, feeling the sensations of the breath on the inhale and the exhale, perhaps as it crosses the upper lip. And once again, there's no goal here. If relaxation is present, notice if there's a desire to hang on to that pleasant feeling. Or if relaxation may not be present, notice if there's a desire to push that away. We are learning to be with whatever is in this moment without clinging or without pushing away. Just showing up in this moment, allowing the body to show up just as it is in this moment. Now shifting your awareness to the back of your body, perhaps feeling the shoulders on the floor, wherever the spine may make contact with the chair or the floor, or the cushion or the bed. And noticing where space arrives. And bringing your awareness specifically to the back of the body, where you may be able to notice the sensations of the body breathing. Perhaps noticing it in the rib cage, and perhaps not. Being curious about this back body as it lies supported on the floor. So continuing now with bringing awareness to this body breathing, inhaling and exhaling, present with all the sensations that are here in this moment. And there will be some moments of silence as perhaps you continue with awareness to start at the feet, breathing in and breathing out as you travel with the awareness from the feet up to the top of the head, taking as many breaths as you need. And starting at the head, and as the inhale and exhale continues, traveling with awareness from the head all the way back down to the feet. Being present with this breath that is breathing this body in this moment.